In this third video in the playlist, now what I'm going to show you as a teacher is how to review assignments that you have given your students, they have completed and now sent to you. So in order to do this, I need to be in Canva, which I am right now. I'm in my account, and you can see here at the top right, I have notification. So anytime you see a notification, it indicates somebody has submitted something to you or shared something with you. There's something new that you haven't seen yet. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and you can see here I have some assignments that have been submitted that I have not reviewed yet. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the student's assignment. So this is what the student had edited and submitted to me. So I have a couple of different ways I can leave some feedback for the students. So the first thing I can do is I can go ahead and click on the comment option up here, and I can leave a comment for the student, and it's just like a general comment. Please add more detail. So I can click on that, and the student will get this little comment notification over here indicating what it is I want them to do. But you also have this button over here that says review. So you can add some general feedback if this is not complete, or you want the students to add something, or if it's wonderful and it's done, you can add feedback here. And then there's two options that you have underneath here. So if you don't think the student is finished and you want them to continue working on this, you could leave feedback and you could click ask for resubmission, in which case when the student logs back into Canva, they will get a notification in their notifications area indicating that something has been submitted back to them for review and to finish up and resubmit. If the design is perfect, it's the way you want it, and you're done, you can click mark as done, and the student will then get a notification indicating that it was marked complete. So I'm going to put in here incomplete, and I'm going to ask for a resubmission. So now, again, next time the student logs in, they'll get a notification. They can continue working on this and resubmit it to you again.